Hey, this is John Young. So I've got a problem with my truck here. Is the batteries in here? I don't use this truck very often, and so it sits inside the office here. And the batteries have died. They're about 10 years old. They probably should have been replaced last summer, but it's a diesel truck, and they were good enough to spin it over for the summer. But now I need to get them out of here. And you can see it's kind of dark. I mean, it looks much darker to me than it does in video. But what I needed something to be able to do that, and I wanted to try this. This is a rechargeable underhood light strap here. And this will, let's see, where's the button here? That's the turn on. And it has little plastic clips that will allow me to go and clip this hood light up onto the hood here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of tighten them up just a little bit, shorten them up, and then I'm going to hook it up there, and I'm going to show you guys how much light it's going to give me on the engine area here. And again, these are plastic clips, so they can go up here. I'm going to just reach over here and catch the one inside of the truck hood. And go there, and then I'll bring the other side over here, and then I can tighten it up a little bit more. I think I'm going to do that. Now my truck, my hood, it's got a little bit of a rounded part on the side there, so it doesn't hold as well on the actual hood. I've got it on the little fireproof material up there. So there. Now I can turn that on, and you can see I've got a really good view of the engine. This is the box actually that it came in. It's got it's USB-C charging, and it will last for a lot longer than I need. So I need to get the batteries out. So I'm going to take the two batteries out and get them ready to go and get new batteries. But just to give you an idea, I'm going to pick this up here, and you can see I've got a nice, well-lit work area, and there's the light, and then I can show you right there, if you can see that, the little clip I just put it on, again, this little kind of that little bit of a fiber type of a insulating thing that they have up there, so that it's going to hold there, and I can use it for taking the batteries out. So we'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out. This is an underhood work light here, available on Amazon, again at the link below. I charged it up, and I used it as a belt. I actually tied it around because I was doing some things outside and used it as a belt light. So this is actually the first time I've used it in the car. I've used it as a belt light a couple of times when I've been working out in the yard, because it illuminates like half of the yard when I was out there doing some raking in the fall, and then this winter when I was doing some shoveling. You can wear it as a it can be a variety of different things. So again, link will be in the description below so you can check this out. This is an underhood LED rechargeable work light.